Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is wholesome. It is pronounced wholesome, and it is spelt W-H-O-L-E-S-O-M-E. Think whole with a silent W, and then some. Wholesome means good for the body, mind, or character, or morally sound and healthy. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is good for you in any aspect. For example, you could say, the fruit salad was wholesome and nutritious. Or you could say, the sports day was wholesome and helped to improve both the student's physical and mental well-being. The word wholesome comes from the Old English word hull, which means healthy. Wholesome equals good health. The word has been used in English since the 14th century to describe something that is good for the body, mind, or character. The video game Animal Crossing is often described as a wholesome game. In the game, you live in a community of animals, completing simple activities such as fishing, bug collecting, and gardening. This is wholesome and promotes healthy outdoor activities and positive interactions with nature. Can you think of any other wholesome games you could play? Synonyms for wholesome include healthy, beneficial, good, and sound. Antonyms include unwholesome, unhealthy, harmful, and unsound. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, wholesome. Have a wholesome day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.